Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Stun Brothers weekly tutorial. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly and easily fold up a green screen. So the first step in folding your green screen is to put your hand on the top of the width side, not the length side. Up and down, it's the width side. Put your hand on top of it like this, and then basically, this is the whole move before I demonstrate it, you're going to be twisting your hand like this, not twisting the whole thing, like this, and it's going to have to go 360 degrees around until it's at the bottom completely folded. So let me demonstrate. You're going to take your hand to the top here, and then you're going to fold it, okay? So this is 180 degrees so far, and then it's going to have to go all the way. Even if you think you're going to break it, it's not. They're very, very durable. And then it folds into itself like this, once it's at 360 degrees. So one thing that I also find helpful is, especially in windy conditions outside or something, to plant your foot on the bottom. Don't do it too hard that it might break the green screen. But basically, grab the top again, like I said, rotate it. That's 180. And then 360 degrees closes it off. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial here on Stun Brothers on how to fold a green screen. As a new addition to this channel, I'm going to let my bro try it out and see if he learned how to do this by recording this with me. Oh.
Okay, so it's like...
That's 180.
Yeah, I know that. No.
You're about 270. Oh dang, look at that.
I'm a pro.
First try, no joke.